Today I'm going to attempt to make a recipe that came from a dream I had where I mixed two classic recipes into one uber dish. An uber dish that's probably going to offend some people. I present to you the Carbonara Ramen. Patent pending.
Leo cooks things, I cook things.
Today I'm going to show you guys how to make something straight from my dreams and probably someone's nightmares. Let's make some Carbonara Ramen. First up, let's make a slurry. We're going to start with 2 eggs. Oh no, get back here. Ew. And 1 egg yolk. This is how you separate egg yolks. Boop, 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 boop. And feel free to drink the egg whites if you're into that sort of thing. I don't judge. Now we're going to give it a little John Whisk. Yeah, I'm guessing I'm back. We're going to do about a 1/2 cup of Parmigiano Reggiano. And we're going to do 1/2 cup of pepperoni. No, we're not. We're going to do 1/2 cup of pepperoni. Ugh. We're going to do 1/2 cup of Pecorino Romano. Nailed it. Fun fact, Pecorino Romano is made from sheep's milk, as opposed to Parmigiano Reggiano, which is cow milk. We learn things here. Boop, 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 boop. Make it snow. Woo! Tony Montana right here. Now put your cheese into the eggs. Boop, boop, boop. Now give it a good mix. Yeah. A bunch of crinkly biffs. And that's our slurry. Keep that for later. Hey. Yeah. Now we're gonna chop these lengthwise. Now we're gonna toss these into an ice bath. Ice bath. If it's good enough for the fitness influencers, it's good enough for these green onions. Now we're gonna put these on a paper towel. That should make them a little bit curlier. Next up, Spam, AKA the meat of the gods. You would normally use guanciale in carbonara, but today we're being blasphemous. Dice up your Spam. Woo! I'm not a complete heathen. I'm still gonna use some guanciale. A little bit of guanciale. Look at it disappear. That's how magical it is. So what I'm doing here is making little guanciale chips that we're gonna use as a garnish. You wanna keep an eye on these because they're gonna cook extremely fast. Already these are done. These are already done. That's how quick they are. Salt your water. Now boil your water. We're gonna toss in our Spam here. Spamalicious. Spamazing grace. So the reason I'm using Spam is because it's actually a traditional ramen topping. You can also just eat a bowl of this if you want. I'm gonna do the ramen noodles over here because you don't really need to see that. It's basically just boiling pasta. Boop, egg yolk on me. Oh no, egg yolk. Oh no, ramen. Everything's happening so fast. Toss in your ramen. Woo, put a little bit of pasta water as well. Now we're gonna put in our slurry. Yeah. So the heat from the pasta is what's gonna cook the slurry. Beautiful. Oh, hey, Pat. Oh, Spam. If it's a bit too thick, you can add some more pasta water. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Add a couple eggs there. A little bit of green onions on top. Also gonna do a little bit of guanciale. A little bit of pepper on top. Carbonara Ramen. Let's get a closer look. Dreams really do come true. What, guanciale on there? Imagination. That's awesome. I like that a lot. Super creamy. The Spam works so good with this. This is insane. Follow your dreams. Bye, friends. You're the best around.